A'r Met wedi bod yn pwyso o'r cychwyn cynta. Jordan Lam yn ôl yn y tîm pnawn yma. McCarthy at Lam, gyfer y sgiliau gan y chwaraewr yma. Dal i fynd hefyd Lam, gwaith gwych, cyfle i Baker dros y bar. Mi oedd hi'n gyfle. 2 funud yn unig sydd wedi mynd. Lam yn gwrthod gadael i fynd. Nôl, oedd Baker yn disgwyl amdani, mae fe'n gallu taro nhw. Dim tro yma. Cosby. Elliot Evans. O Roscoe oedd yno. Cyffyrddiad da gan Sean Smith. Yn ôl at Roscoe, mae'n mynd cyfle i Met Caerdydd dros y bar. Roscoe drwodd. A maen nhw wedi cael 2 gyfle da yn y 6 munud cynta. Baker ar gynta a nawr y prif sgoriwr. Adam Roscoe. Mae fe'n beryg bywyd ar hyn o bryd. Sean Smith dechreuodd y cyfan. Wild. Erbyn Emlyn Lewis. Lewis yn gysgod i Wild. Pnawn yma. Dwi'n wedi gadlu ochr. Maen nhw'n dal i frwydro fan hyn. Mae rhywbeth i digwyddodd ar y bil. Mae Mike Wild yn dal i ben. Digwyddiad gyda Emlyn Lewis. A mae dyfarnwr yn mynd i stopio. Maen nhw'n fod yn mynd am ei gilydd drwy'r pnawn y ddau yma. A Wild yn teimlo bod wedi cael cic yn ei ben fan yna. Wel, mae digwyddiad arall yn mynd mlaen fan hyn. Mae Mike Wild ar lawr eto. Emlyn Lewis yn ei chanol i. Mike Wild yn fyny bod Emlyn Lewis wedi daro, wedi bwnio. Nawr te, Mike Wild ac Emlyn Lewis yn cystadlu eto. Penia da gan Wild. Matthew Williams. Ceisio creu rhywbeth i Cei Connah. Mae rhywun yn disgyn eto. Mae'n mynd yn fler nawr ac yn blentynnedd braidd gan y ddau yma. Mike Wild sydd yn ei chanol i. Rhys ar lawr. O, chi weld lliw y Caerdydd o fan hyn. Mae'r un lliw o sanau Cei Connah yn felyn. Ddim cweit mor lachar o bosib. Cei Connah'n drefnus. Met yn greadigol. Yn wedi y gŵr yma. Lam at Roscoe. Roscoe am y gol. Danby yn y fan ar lle. Beth am Cosby, gwedwch? Baker. Cyfle dal yno. Danby yno gynta. Mae Met Caerdydd yn creu eto. Nhw sydd wedi creu'r cyfleoedd clir. Ond nhw wedi cymryd yr un hyd yn hyn. A'r ddau amddiffyn cryf yma yn dal i tir. Mae Met yn edrych am y cyfle lleia yna i geisio wrth ymosod. Cosby'n cael ei droed iddi. Cei Connah sydd dal yno. Wild yn erbyn Lewis. Wild yn gryf. Os na gyfle i Wolf! Dros y bar mae'n mynd. Chi'n gwybod be mi oedd hi'n gyfle, hanner cyfle falle, ond y cyfle gorau hyd yn hyn i Cei Connah. Well, Christian, we came here. You're the best defence in the league. Connah's Quay, the second best defence in the league. I guess we shouldn't be surprised it's finished 0-0. No, it's a bit ironic, isn't it, really? 0-0, 2 best defensive sides, as you said, at the moment. And apart from really our 3 or 4 chances we had first half, where for me we've got at least scored 2 of those, there's not really that much in the game. A bit of an arm wrestle for both sides. You had some players out as well, so with them, they haven't lost at home this season, so far the only team in the league that can boast that record. You had a few players missing, long journey and all that, so is it a good point for you?
It's a good point before you come here, of course it is. You know, we're missing Ryan Wignall, which, you know, it forces the opposition back. You're always looking at ways to, you know, to exploit the opposition, and you need, again, certain attributes, and, you know, Ryan Wignall has that ability to push defenders back. George is obviously our captain, and, you know, he's a major threat in both boxes. Ian Kearney's missing, Declan Poole's just coming back, you know, so I think it's shown this year that when clubs have missed 2 or 3 really important players, you know, I think Bala missed a couple of big players for them on Friday night and paid the price for that, and Bangor had 2 or 3 players out for, you know, big players for 2 or 3 games and they lost. So, you know, you're hoping that you can keep your best players in areas, you know, and I'm not saying technically your best players, but players that are really important to certain areas of your game, and you need to keep them fit. You know, so it's a really pleasing, you know, because, you know, these have done. You know, they've turned a lot of teams over here, and you know, and they're playing really well, and, you know, it's a good point. But, you know, for me, as I just said to the lads, you know, we're taking 4 points off them now in the first phase, and there won't be many teams that'll do that. So it's a good day at the office.
And the season continues. Cup coming up as well soon. So you're in one cup final. Looking forward to the challenge of the Welsh Cup.
Yeah, it's important, the Welsh Cup. It's always been a big part of the club's fabric, and we've always played strong sides in the cup, and we look to go as far as we can. And you know, we've already had Penybont watched a few times, and they'll be a tough side. They'll be a tough side. They're doing well in Division 1, so we have to be on our mettle on that day.